Hello, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a shoes for you guys. This is Adidas. You can see here Adidas. You can see here Campus 00SW. Okay, lovely. Here the price could be deeper where you are. Beautiful pack, the classical Adidas pack. This one I would say the classical design or logo of Adidas here. So let me take this off, guys. Here we go. Beautiful pair of sneaker, I would say, wrapped in a beautifully packed. Let me take this off here. Beautiful here, you see. Wow, lovely. All the things in catalog UK is written, logo, other things. You see the design here, the typical classical Adidas 3 line here. I feel as a leather. This side I feel artificial leather, that is pure leather, but this side, this I feel quality leather here. The body has this, so it's a mix of different combination, different quality of material. Campus is written here. The sole you can see, lovely, high quality, obviously Adidas product, the best type of sneaker you can find in Adidas, Nike, this type of brand. Here inside more information is written about Adidas and all the things in the sole. Lovely, beautiful. Let's go to the other one. Here we go. See, beautiful is the same. Look at the sole, guys. Look at the stitching, how detailed the stitching is, how good. Also you have glue and stitching together. Lovely sneaker, guys, in a good price with the one of the biggest brand of sneaker in the world. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.